Okay guys, this is the beginning of the big install that I'm working on right now. Probably going to take me a few days. But we're going to put in a Bryant two-stage heat and cool with, we're going to add zoning to the house. So we have exactly 870 square feet on both sides of the house. We're gonna zone it. He has basically stripped this house down to just the studs. I'm pretty sure they've done some new construction in there as well, new plumbing, but I'm here to do the HVAC. So it's raining heavily today, which is not, you know, a big deal for me, but apparently for the delivery truck, it set them back, I guess an hour. So I had to find other things to do, which is fine. I had all kinds of stuff to do, zoning and all that stuff. So I ran some thermostat wire, but finally got there, unloaded the truck in all the rain, and hey, good time. Love install. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video.
here. Huh?
Very carefully.
Wow. Holy fright. I had no idea. Good grief. This is pretty common, putting them in the attic.
Yeah, nowadays a lot of people put them in the attic.
Well, you can see I've got a heck of a lot of attic room.
Yeah, you do. I'm going to be all over it, running ductwork.
Holy Frank. That is huge. Oh, and you ran that pipe over to you.
I did that.
Oh.
That was the extended pipe that I told you I was going to do.
Oh, okay.
So
Wow.
I spliced
That
on
goes
right
back
there.
to-
I spliced on right there, basically.
Oh yeah, because the other one. But how come that's only, and you've got kinks in there? How about that?
Oh, I'm just running off of your.
How you come over with 3/4, but you're only going into the furnace with a half, huh?
Yeah, the code says you have to have 3/4 to the gas furnace,
Yeah.
and then you reduce to a 1/2 inch at the furnace.
Ah, how about that? You have been one busy little bee up here. You gotta have brought that up with sections. You didn't bring all that up at once.
Right. Yeah. Like I build these plenums down in the garage, and then I brought them up here, and then tomorrow I have a buddy coming out to help me out with some work. So we're gonna, like I installed your zone board right here.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're going to put the supply plenum is there. We're going to run dampers and wire it into the zone board. So I got your thermostats run down, your thermostat wires run down to the living room and the bedrooms.
That's great that he's got all of this stuff up here. I can't believe it. All right. Hey, well, I'm going to be around for a few minutes. I always come out and clean up on the weekend.
Okay.
And if you need help with anything, or if I can help you, let me know.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, my wife said she's going to come by for lunch around 11:30.
It's not very long from now, about a half hour.
Yeah. I'm ready for lunch.
So you're connecting, all you're doing is connecting those up, huh?
Yep.
To your board?
Yep. So whereas you would have had, you had one thermostat before, I
Yeah.
could have just run the one thermostat wire to there, but now we have two new thermostats. So those communicate to this brain,
Yeah.
and that brain tells this what to do.
Okay.
I put a condensate flood switch in here for you. So if this pan were to ever start filling up with water and fill up with an inch of water, it'll shut the system down before it had a chance to overflow. I'm gonna hook a drain up here. It's gonna drain out to the side of the house anyways, and that's the real relief for this pan. But if that line should ever fail, then this will be it. That's an evaporator coil. That's a cold coil in the summertime. It doesn't do anything during heat. Two-stage gas valve, two-stage inducer motor, two-stage pressure filter. Okay guys, day 2 done. I got a lot of work done. Pretty beat, but the furnace is in. All I gotta do is run the blue pipe. So got the old unit completely out and taken away. So pretty much just gotta run that duct work. I got a partner coming to help me out tomorrow, and then set the AC. So we gotta run that refrigerant line. So still quite a bit of work to do, but it's just me, you know, it's just me doing it. So I'm just powering through it. It'll get done when it gets done. The guy's not in any rush, so he sees me working though. Like he came out to the job today and was messing around with some stuff. So, but he's like, "Wow, you're a really hard worker. You got a lot done." So that's good to hear. All right, well, we're rolling on. I'm gonna head home now and get some rest, and then come back tomorrow for another 8. Come back Monday for another 8. We'll get it done eventually. All right, you're good.
Wires everywhere.
Okay guys, that wraps up the Lime Cove Court install. It is actually about 95% done. There's sheetrock that still needs to be done, stucco on the exterior of the wall, electrical still needs to be run. All of that the contractor said that he was going to do on his end of the deal, so he needed the HVAC system installed and inspected so that they can move forward with the sheetrock and whatever else they got going on. So, oh shoot. Oh, the joys of having a pickup truck. Like forever losing stuff out of the back of it. Well, let's see if we can make a half block down the road. Okay, but anyways, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I know it was a long one, but you know, I like recording these installs. I like recording this stuff because someday I'm going to be old and I want to be able to watch, be able to show some of the stuff that I do. You know, some of the stuff that I did when I was my age now. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it so much, and we'll see you guys on the next video.